All right, after 7 hours of deliberations over 2 days, a jury found Sean Dunn, the DC sandwich guy, not guilty on a federal misdemeanor assault charge. Now, you'll remember Dunn threw that sub sandwich into the bulletproof vest of a Customs and Border Patrol agent outside a nightclub August 10th in DC. He was protesting their presence there. It was the exclamation point of a profanity-laced tirade that lasted a number of minutes. Well, Dunn and his legal team were all smiles as they walked out of the courthouse behind me shortly after the verdict. After hours of jury deliberations, the jury just didn't agree with the Department of Justice that the sandwich toss met the definition of forcible assault and that Dunn's actions impeded or interfered with the federal agent's assignment that night, even though they had to chase him down U Street after the sandwich toss to arrest him. Now, despite the viral social media attention that followed, the DOJ brushed aside the idea that what happened was no big deal. They told jurors, regardless of what they thought about the federal presence here in DC, the case was about someone who crossed the line. But Dunn's attorneys argued the sandwich toss was part of his protected free speech, and it was part of a protest of federal agents' presence that night, and it focused on immigration enforcement. Now, afterwards, Dunn stood right outside this courthouse and he thanked his supporters, the ones he knows, the ones he didn't know. He said he was just standing up for immigration enforcement done the right way and for the Constitution. But U.S. Attorney Jeanine Pirro released her own statement. She says, as always, we accept the jury's verdict. That's the system within which we function. But law enforcement should never be subjected to assault, no matter how minor. Even children know when they're angry. They are not allowed to throw objects at one another. That's from the Department of Justice, who tried to charge Dunn with a felony. They couldn't get a grand jury to indict him on the felony. They couldn't get this jury to convict him on the misdemeanor. The sandwich guy is a free man.